How to completely disable comments on your WordPress post. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. After that, you need to go here settings and click on discussions. You need to uncheck this option, allow people to submit comment. So I have already unchecked it. So make sure that from the time you uncheck this, it will not show comment on your new post. For old posts, you need to go to manually and turn them off. For example, in old post, you can go here all post and click on quick edit. You can turn it off from here. Okay, for new post it will be automatically removed. I will add a new post. Test. Let me publish it and let me view the post. So now there is no comment section here, so comments are automatically removed. I hope now you will be able to do it, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.